Hi, I'm Emily Springer with My Mini Casa. Today we're going to learn about how to use the tool, which is My Mini Casa's online sales software. And in this video, we're going to talk about agents. In the Agents tab, you'll see Manage Agents, Manage Subcontracting Agents, Agent Home, Agent Commission Level, and Training. In Manage Agents, once this opens, you would see any agent that's signed up underneath of you to do sales. As you grow with the business, you'll come to understand what it means to be a trainer. At that point, you'll start signing agents up underneath of you and collecting a trainer commission. That's where all of these agents will be housed, is in this Agents, Manage Agents tab. Subcontracting agents are a little bit different than an independent agent. So a subcontracting agent is someone who signs into the system underneath you and places orders and sales underneath you, and it generates revenue for you. This doesn't actually apply until you hit 250K, and once you hit 250K, there is a training release to you that is available that explains this process a little bit more in depth. Agent Home brings you back to the calendar where you're going to see those trainings and updates as you go through the process. Then Agent Commissions. This is where you'll see any orders that are paying out on the upcoming check, and you can change the date to look at any check in history. Agent Commission Level shows you what pay level you've unlocked, again, based on where you are in sales for the calendar year. When you go to training, this is an amazing tool. If you have any questions or are looking for a resource, this is a great place to look first. Come in here, dig through the documents, go through some training, get a better feel for ads, marketing, and any FAQ or notice information that you may need.